guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be so fun. It's a little DIY project and I thought I would bring you along with me because this is the first time I'm creating what I'm creating, and hopefully it's good because it's a gift and it kind of needs to be good. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get right into it and tell you what we're doing today. So let me just show you all the ingredients. Okay, what we are going to be making is a body scrub. So what we're gonna be needing is Epsom salt, coconut oil, light brown sugar, cinnamon, and coffee. Now, basically, this is a coffee body scrub, so you can put it all over your body, you can put it on your face, anywhere. It's detoxifying. The coffee is what makes this a detox, and the coconut oil will give you the glow. We're just gonna be so soft after using this. But the thing is, you can use any coffee that you want. I don't know if using a specific flavor will change the scent of this, so I can let you know at the end, because the flavor I'm using is a pecan sticky bun. It's like one of my favorites, so why not throw it into this little concoction and let's see how it goes. But without further ado, let's just get right into it. Okay, so what we are going to be starting with, the light brown sugar and the Epsom salt. So you're gonna need just a half a cup measurement, a 1/4 cup measurement, and then just a tablespoon measure. So let's start off with the brown sugar. I've never made this before, but I've always been curious, and I know maybe some of you are curious too, so I decided to create this in a little video. I was debating on doing like more of a lavender scent because my mom she likes clean smells, but I thought a little coffee scrub would be good too, because her and I are obsessed with coffee. So yep, half a cup of that into the bowl. This is starting off well already. All right, so we're gonna do a half a cup of the Epsom salt now. Just pour that in with the brown sugar. Right, put the half a cup of Epsom salt in there. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of the ground cinnamon. Oh, this looks good. 3 tablespoons of the pecan sticky bun coffee that I'm using. You make a pot of coffee in the morning, you could just use that instead of the fresh grounds. Used grounds do the same exact thing. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of the coffee. Yum, it smells so good. And I'm not sure if a flavored coffee will change the scent. I'm assuming it will, so you could use whatever flavored coffee that you personally like. I'm gonna give it a little mix. Let's see it. I love the color. Okay. Oh my God, it smells so good. So for the next step, I'm going to be melting 1/4 cup of coconut oil. If you like your scrubs a little more wet and somewhat watery, then you could add more coconut oil. So that's all your preference and what you like. Just gonna go melt this quick and I will be right back. I'm going to just dump it in here. All right, moment of truth. Give it a stir. You can see it's coming together, but I actually think I want to add a little bit more coconut oil. Okay, so instead of 1/4 cup, I think overall I did probably 1/3 cup melted. And this is the consistency that I want. Good. It smells super good. I do smell that pecan sticky bun coffee that I use, so make sure you use a coffee that smells good, and you should try it out. Sorry, kinda gotta make do with what I've got here. So I'm gonna put a little on my hands, a little bit. Wow, I should have made extra for myself. So nice. And it smells so good. Well, that was a total success. And to make it look pretty, because I'm all about presentation, I got my mom this little cute jar. So she could, it's like super cute, it has a little bow on it. Cute. So I'm gonna put some in there. Hey, maybe there will be some extra for me. Open this thing. Oh, okay. I'm gonna scoop it in. This makes about a cup or so of scrub. So it just gives you a little bit of a range if you were to make a double batch or so. A coffee bean would be so pretty on there, but I don't have a coffee bean. I just have the round coffee beans. Yay, it's such a success. Okay. Oh no, oh no. I filled it too high. I put the little top on, and that is the finished product. So that's a wrap on my little DIY body scrub video. I really hope you enjoyed it and thought this was fun. And yeah, make it. This is a really cute gift that you could give to anyone for a holiday or just a random appreciation gift. A lot of people love that. So yeah, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to stay tuned for my next upload, and I will be seeing you guys soon.